Harpies are creatures from Greek mythology, depicted as bird women with the bodies of birds and the heads and torsos of women. They were known for their sharp claws and foul temper, and were often depicted as being fierce and vicious creatures. In mythology, Harpies were said to be the daughters of Thaumas and Electra, and were known for their ability to fly and their terrible voices. They were often depicted as tormenting the wicked, carrying them away to the underworld, and leaving behind a foul stench. One of the most famous stories involving Harpies is the story of King Phineus of Thrace. Phineus was said to have been tormented by Harpies, who would steal his food before he could eat it. The hero Jason and his companions, the Argonauts, were said to have freed Phineus from the Harpies by shooting them